मोस्टली कंप्यूटर साइंस के बिगनर स्टूडेंट्स का सवाल होता है कि हाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट कोडिंग, हाउ वी कैन स्टार्ट दिस जर्नी। सो लेट्स बिगिन। मैं आप लोगों के लिए यहाँ पे 2-3 चीज़ें बताऊँगा जो आप करके अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। सबसे पहले W3 स्कूल, ये वाहिद वेबसाइट है जहाँ आपको बिगनर से लेकर एडवांस तक ईच एंड एवरीथिंग मिलेगी और यहाँ हर तरह की लैंग्वेज मिलेगी, HTML, जावा, C++, जावास्क्रिप्ट, पाइथन and Django, everything you can find here. After that, this is we can go on ChatGPT. Search here that I'm a beginner and make me a roadmap. So it will make to you, and you can see that each and every guidance is very useful. After that, you can also ask that tell me the YouTube channel where I can also from learn. So you can find there many of the channel which will help you to complete your course and help you to make you from beginner to the advanced. After that, you can also search on GPT that tell me the tools name where I can practice it. Here you can see that there's many of them are very unique tools, very advanced tools, which will help you to grow. So follow them, keep learning, and let me know if you want any help, any query. Comment below. Thank you.